In this video, I am actually studying tarot. I have all of the minor arcana laid out in front of me. I want to just dig in deeper. I'm going to just kind of walk you through my process for how I sort of look at cards and interpret them. So what I have in front of me are each of the 4 suits in the tarot, the swords, cups, pentacles, and wands. And then I have them going from ace to king, all 14 or whatever cards it is for each one. So I'm gonna go through number by number because they kind of progress and tell a story. So I think it makes sense to move sequentially and to look at the differences between each suit as we go. Let's start with the aces. The aces to me are pretty straightforward. Like, they are the first card and it's like a hand bringing something new out of the ether. I think really, if you want to go deep on the aces, what you should really do is go deep on each of the elements. Like, really study the attributes of air, swords, cups, water, pentacles, earth, and wands, fire, and look at the zodiac types associated with them. Look at like all the different things associated with those elements, and that I think is what will help support and supplement the interpretation of a card that is about a new beginning, like the emergence from the void into something in one of those particular elements. I'm sure there's more if you really look at the landscape of each of these cards. Like, they all have different terrain and but what I would just draw to is like the specific element and the idea of a new beginning, because let's face it, they're all just like hands. I feel like the aces and the court cards have this energy of being like kind of outside the series of 10. I feel like within the 2 to 10, there's a lot more nuance. There's something about being a court card and an ace that really highlights a singular sort of archetype across different elements. Also, definitely would be interested to know in the comments if there's other approaches that you take or how you engage with the cards in terms of like letting them speak to you or finding meaning in relationship. That's my thoughts on the aces.